Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. So, well, I was expecting um, a retracement in 34.45 at least, but no, not not for me. Again, um, reaction in 40 minutes for 400 pips. Yes, 400 pips in 50 minutes. So that's nice. Um, and well, not the best point again. But well, guys, beautiful market today. Finally, we got some structure. Finally, we can clarify the positions and everything. So that's nice. That's nice. Just pure patience. Today it's going to be full patience, guys. Full patience. No other option to be in the in this type of market. Just we need to clarify always the position and feel better and comfortable with that type of reactions and everything. So well, it's time to be ready for whatever it happens. Let's see if we will continue with the pressure for sellers. So well, let me clarify the points. Okay, we got the 34.43. So it's also on our buy position. So let's see. Let's see. What's massive? What's massive? Give us a reaction in 14. so, so well, let me read the chat. Let me read the chat and see what happened here. And let's see who's holding. Who's holding morning is Phil is here, Chintak is here. We were into the private training room and already explained my position. My position was I would really want to open here. But the this candle was a dodgy, so for that reason I didn't take that entry, and then it gave us that reactions for 400 pips. Not too much to do, so let's see. Your patience, guys. We need to wait. We need to wait and clarify that the position always. I think I will start with a position in silver. Okay, it's arriving to the thousand again. It's my main plan for the day. It's begging for a hard correction, but let's see the reaction. Let's see the reaction. Good reaction. Good reaction, guys. So we're going to start the day with silver. So give me 1 second, guys. So well, I'm taking a trade in silver. It have more structure than gold at this moment. For that reason, I'm taking a trade there. I just need to clarify the piece. Looks great. Okay. 32. That's 736. Stop loss 33 0. 32.50. I'm clarifying the TPS in silver, guys. Give me 1 second. And that 35. Okay, the day starts with silver again. Let's see what we have with silver. Expect beautiful things there. Let's go back to gold. Gold, it's give us a reaction there. Mm, they it respect the 0.05. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Patience, pure patience. And let me clarify the. Okay, okay. Okay. So Nasdaq, it's almost give us a confirmation. Nasdaq looks nice too. So let's see. Waiting. So well, position in silver was open. Let's wait for the. Wait for the TP1. So well, let's see. Well, Phil was here. Jindak is here. LMS is here. Um, Peking Jam is here. Rudy is here. Darwin is here. Muriel is here. Market is crazy. Very big candles. Yes, it's a massive candles, my friend. I'm trying to find a position, in sell position in Nasdaq now, but it didn't possible at this moment. So let's wait the proper confirmation in Nasdaq and Dow Jones, and in gold, of course. So no, it's not active. Running slide is here. What it should be, we do what's going gold. Buen día, Bandy, ¿cómo estás? Ahorita, ¿cómo estás? Acabo de subir una venta. 34.44, excelente, mi amigo, perfecta venta, muy bien, hasta 34.07 de lots, perfecto, mi amigo, excelente, muy bien, José, muy bien jugado. Ujú. Muy bien, Jose, excelente. Now, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, to be honest. Waiting. It's out of my zones. Well, let me clarify this new zone in 1 hour. Uh-huh. So, well, gold, it's going back to the reaction zone. So that's great. So let's be ready. It's time to be ready. Don't worry about the stop loss. It's pretty little. So let's wait a little confirmation. But it's a little confirmation. We need the yeah, break of a structure to retest. We need to wait like a little consolidation the um, around the 34, 33, 34, 35, around that point. So let's wait and be ready, guys. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Remember, we are in a high volatility market, so try to understand. Um, you need to reduce the lot size first. Trying to understand. Always, you need to respect the stop loss and try to understand the best position. It's always just try to, if you clarify, you know, your your own account, check the spread, check the broker prices and everything. Okay, so be clear of that. Be clear of that. I don't want to see anyone holding position negative or holding position without confirmations. Just now, it's time to wait. As I told you, I'm waiting. I already have the confirmation. What was my confirmation? This massive candle for sellers in 34.40. So let's see. Let's see. The position it's not open, guys. The position is not open. I'm waiting the retracement and the proper consolidation in 1 minute. Okay. clear of that. Now the price is going to give us a reaction again. So we got the little consolidation there. Let's see. Remember our stop looks nothing, looks as nothing at this moment. So well, one candle more. One candle more, 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Let's see how is the pressure for this candle. If not, we will clarify at another point. Okay, now I'm into the position. Let's see what we have. Let me grow it here. Working as fast as I can. Okay, let me clarify the DPS. Into the Telegram. Mm-hmm. 34. 1. 17. So well, give me 1 second for take my partial. Okay, perfect. Mm, Trade and sell 34, 32.33. Okay, we already did the TP1. Let's see the reaction there. 34.27. 34.27. Okay, I'm not reducing nothing at this moment. Just taking the position. 34.25. Guys, remember I'm working the fast as I can. So please understand that. First, I share my entries in Telegram. Then I'm updating here. So yeah, perfect. So well, the price give us a retest for the point of entry. This is the original information what I have with the stop in 34, 36.30. Okay. Um, with the reduce it, because remember here it's a point of entry 34, 32.33. Now it's the TPS. It did retest for the ones who weren't able to take it. Now it's the position. Let's see what we have in the next minutes. But remember, guys, the ones for who already did the TP1, just take the partial. Take the partial. Control that stop loss. It's better just reduce it at least some pips. So for that reason, the new stop loss will be there. I'm going to reduce it just 10 pips, 8 pips. So let me see, 35.50. Let me change it. Perfect. Mhm. Good. 34, 35.50. Again, reaction, hard reaction into the point of entry. It did a retest for the point. Okay. Remember, if you do a re-entry, it's a must to use um the new stop. Okay. Be clear of that, please. Be clear of that. The ones in Telegram, it's a must to do the partial. Okay, the ones for the re-entry. Be clear of the TP1. Well, the TP1 is a little higher. It's for 50 pips, but well, it didn't. Now the point of entry start now. It's for almost 45 pips. So it's your decision if you want to continue with the with no partial and everything, but now it's a good option to do a partial or hold the TP1. Okay, hold the TP1. Let's see what we have in the next minutes. It's almost there again. If it touched the TP1 again, I will reduce 10 pips more is the stop loss. Okay, let's see if the pressure, just we need some pips more, just 10 pips more, I think. Yes, 10 pips more. It's almost there. It's almost there. 4 pips more. TP1, guys. TP1 again. TP1 again for the ones who do the re-entry. It's time to do the partial. Please be sure of that. Do the partials, guys. Do the partials. Do the partials. Do the partials. Do the partial. Do the partials. Okay, let me reduce the entry. Okay, and that one. Okay. Now the stop loss change again because the price touch again the TP1. Okay, holding the same position, holding the same position, holding for at least TP2. The ones who still in profit, do the partial, guys. Do the partial and hold some percentage for the TP2. It's almost there. Oh, sorry, it changed. Uh, Almost there. TP2, guys. Who is still holding the position? TP2. Now. TP2 go now. Um, TP2, guys. Holding the TP3. Holding the TP3. Who is holding? Who is holding? Who is holding? 7 pips. Now is a must. Everyone in break even. It's not another option to be in a break even, guys. Okay. So please be clear of that. Break even. Break even, please. Break even, please. Break even. Let's see. Okay, nice, nice. Silver now it's in positive again too. So that's beautiful. So everyone in do the partial do the partial, guys. Break even. Break even, guys. Remember. This point is important because there we got the reaction zone in TP2. Okay. TP2 is a reaction zone. So probably we will test again the point of entry. Let's see. My B is in 34.33.20. Holding for the TP3. Let's see. These 7 minutes probably it will give us the reaction. Okay. Probably it give us a good reaction there. Let's see. Well, silver goes back to the point of entry. Gold is still there in TP2. Let's see. Holding. Holding. The next 7 minutes it will give us that confirmation. Okay. Both spikes for both sides. Hard pressure for sellers, hard pressure for buyers. So what? Holding. Trying to find some position in NASDAQ and Dow Jones too. Still waiting. Still waiting, guys. Let me check. holding the same position. That reaction was into that into the TP2 because of these reactions on this massive candle. If we check if we check the candle, we will see the 0.5 was there. So for that reason, they give us a massive reaction. Let's see if the sellers can continue with the pressure or not. It depends, as I told you, for these three candles, or we will see the break even. Hmm? Let's see if they will test the point of entry. Let's see what we have. So, well, I'm trying to find something here in NASDAQ. Hmm. But now, NASDAQ and Dow Jones, I think they will continue with the uptrend position very hard. Very, very hard. So, well, let's see. Again into the point of entry. Retesting the point of entry again. Taking some break evens. Taking the break evens, guys. Let me clarify if my position continue open or not. Uh, it's taken. No, it's there. It's there. That's beautiful. Let's see if this candle gives that reaction. That's all. That's all for the entry. That's all for the entry, guys. This candle take the position, well, my position probably. For most of you guys, you take the same position, the break even. Um, so well, massive reaction into the point of entry again. What it means, massive reaction around 30 pips in 1 minute. So that's great. That's pretty nice. So probably it will continue with the downtrend. Not sure, but well, the pressure looks like both sides at this moment. So the good thing is, well, most of the people here take some pips, so that's nice. As I told you before the entry today, it's well, this week it's the reactions looks very hard and everything. So for that reason, always we need to take care of the break even. We need to take care of the point of entry. We need to take care of the partials. That is very important. Okay, very important to that positions. Mhm. So yes, so probably we will continue with the uptrend. Let's see what we have here. Was our first trade from gold. So position plus 72 pips. So we will arrive again to another point for another nice sell. So let's see. and let's wait. Be patient, guys. So let's see. Just we need to wait if the price go back at least to the 34.44. 34 to 44. Let's see. Silver looks little. It's 10 pips in negative. Let's see the reactions. Let's see the reactions. Khalil, yes, the thing is silver. It's there. It's there. It's near to the point. It's just 10 pips in negative, my friend. Remember, in silver is the same. Control the lot size. Control the um, the point of entries. That it's important there. Um, guys, my voice looks like a stock or something like this, or it looks, it sounds good or not. So while waiting, guys, hmm, for H. So preparing an entry in NASDAQ. So guys, my microphone sounds weird or not, guys? My microphone sounds weird or not, guys? Ugh. Sounds okay. Sounds fine. Perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Thanks for confirm. Um, because yes, well, silver looks really really strong. Probably it will hit the stop. So let's see the next minutes. It going down. It going up very very hard. That's it. Remember the stop loss in silver. It's for 30 pips. It depends of your broker how you're going to see the value of the pip, because in some brokers they pay very good for silver. In other brokers they it's like cents. So it depends of your broker. So well, I would try to find a position in Dow Jones. So well, let's be ready for the ones in Telegram, because I'm going to open a position in Dow Jones. 72, and here I need to add the pips. It's for 95. 95. Okay, perfect. Good reaction. That's not good for us, to be honest, because this must arrive at least to 34.40. Was 34.40? No, 41 there. Okay, just let me clarify the point of entry here. 8203. Stop loss 18283. So let me clarify the TPs. 1.8 again. The ones in Telegram, they know they need this week. It's going to be difficult. So there's a must to reduce the lot size at least some pips. Mm, 18063. That 40. Perfect. So well, the position is taken. Finally, silver could give us a reaction or continue with the downtrend. So still holding the silver. Like I maximum 0.03 maximum, my friend. So well, I already take one trade in silver, one trade in gold, TP2 72 pips in positive, and now we are in NASDAQ. So let's see, waiting the reaction, waiting a good reactions. NASDAQ, let's wait a good reaction for, but well, it's a must to be patient. Silver again, almost very high, but finally give us a nice retracement. So that's beautiful. Let's wait. And the last signals could be taken here in gold. Okay. So let's see. Or we will change probably. It depends. So well, let's see. Again, reaction. Dow Jones the same as NASDAQ? Is Dow Jones? No, my friend. LMS. Dow Jones is not the same as NASDAQ, my friend. It's not the same. Hard reaction. That's nice for orientation. At this moment, again, um, probably we will test 3405, something like this, very close to that point. So it depends. It depends. Yes, US 100, it's NASDAQ. US 30 is Dow Jones. Okay. So well, Zebra give us a nice reaction. NAS still into the point of entry. Exactly, Sniper. Thanks for the clarification, my friend. Always for now, back down for 250. Bro, gold got me last night. As soon as I placed a buy, dropped like 200 pips. Lex bring all the way from 300, now back down to 50. Yes, this is the type of market what the minors traders is going to be. It's going to lose some money. If you don't understand it's time to reduce the lot size. It's time to reduce the positions and everything. Probably the market will take some money with your account. So please be trade safe, trade with a good reactions and everything. Um, Sometimes it's better, guys. Sometimes it's better just stay away. You have the option. You have the option to stay away, guys. This type of market, it's not for, to be honest, and that's the reality. This type of market, it's not for. If you are starting 2 or 3 months in trading, probably this market will take you. Um, I think less than 2 years in trading, you are a beginner. Um, so if you are in that range, probably you will lose some money. Um, Probably this is your first time seeing that type of volatility, inclusive for me. I just remember this type of volatility when uh, Ukraine and Russia starts the war. Sometimes with Israel and Iran, but not that much. With Israel and Iran, just the market go back to the normal conditions in 2 or 3 days, and that's it. That's it. But the war taxes with Donald Trump and Xi Jinping, this is the third week what we are suffering that type of situations with that type of market. Okay, so guys, the market, it's like this. If you don't, my friend LMS, you are into the Telegram, my friend. You are into the Telegram, my friend. If I open a position, you will receive the notification into the Telegram. So be clear of that, please. Yes, yes, that's the reality, and that's not that nice. Um, it's not friendly. This type of conditions. It's not friendly. It's not friendly. Um, Rafal, the at this moment, I think no. At this moment, as I told you guys, now I trust we will see this year 5,000 in gold. So probably in the next months we will see 4,000 and then the 5,000. Do the conditions what we are passing in this moment. So looks easy and sometimes looks really nice and everything, but well, um, it's like this. It's like this. We need to understand the positions. Most of the time, it's better just reduce the lot size and continue with the proper lot size. Okay. Nasdaq going back to the point of entry. Yes. I was reading here. Uh, for who was Afnan? Yes, he's losing here 50% of the phase one. Yes, this type of market it's not friendly with the funder account or the challenge or the instant funding. Looks difficult, to be honest. Looks very very difficult. And sometimes, again, sometimes if you don't have the experience, if you don't like to lose a trade, because we will lose many positions in trading. So this type of market, we will see many stop loss, many stop loss. So yes. So well, let's see. What's up, Isaac? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? So well, now the price looks very quiet. So that's great. That's great. Okay, Nasdaq entering selling confirmations. Maybe yes, danger. I'm into a sell position in Nasdaq. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Well, silver is still there, respecting the resistance zone, so that's great. Let's see if the price go back or not. It depends of the next hours. Okay, Nasdaq is still into the point of entry. Let's see what we have in the next minutes. And gold, it's it's there. It's just doing gold stuff. Let's see. Well, NAS give us a massive reaction right now. Let's see. Massive reaction in NAS. Going back again to the point of entry. So that's great. Let's see. Let's see. La plata en flotante. Sí, está ahí como queriendo subir, queriendo bajar. Sube, baja, sube, baja. Está ahí como igual que siendo lo mismo que el oro. Like a consolidation there. So, well, let's see what we have. Where is the sell zone in NAS? The sell zone in NAS, it's the break. It's one of with a break of a structure, my friend. The break of a structure sell zone. Just let me clarify here the position. I will share it into the Telegram, my friend. Sorry, into the Discord. I already shared it, Phil. But well, by please X-Trade. Yes, I have my point of entry for gold looks like 3408 at least. 3408 looks great. If not, but well, guys, remember if you want to receive support, if you want to learn, Discord is a good option. If you want to receive more entries by Telegram into the VIP group, remember it's not for free. It's a $73 for 1 year subscription. Okay. Um, for this month, for the last week of this month, we got this promotion for BT markets. First deposit plus for 100 welcome bonus. And if you do the deposit, I will provide you the Telegram signals. Okay. With the Quantical, it's the same. For 25 key instant account or 50 key challenge, you will receive the promo code for 50% or and the Discord support. Okay. See the time frame 5 minute bull flag. So well, now it looks like a consolidation there. Looks like a consolidation. So looks very quiet. Looks very, very, very quiet. So well, consolidation, guys, consolidation. So finally, reaction. Nas going up. Yes, Nas going up. Near to the, well, the stop loss now it's for almost 30 pips. Yes, Nasdaq's continue with the uptrend position very, very hard. Let's see. Silver going back, so that's great. Going back, see time frame 5 minute, bro. Ba-ba. So well, nice reaction. Going back to the point of entry for a long position. Oh. So well, going back, guys. That's beautiful. That's nice. Good reaction. Silver is still there, trying to go back to the point of entry. But NAS is still there with the same pressure in a little consolidation in 1 minute. So probably we will see a fall soon or the stop. But remember the most important there in NAS, reduce the lot size and the stop loss. Okay, because the stop loss in NASDAQ is higher than gold. Silver, it's the same. Silver is 30 pips in stop. Here in gold is less than 40 pips. Hmm. So well, let's see. Let's see what we have. Now it's a good reaction there in the 34.39. So well, reaction, waiting the reaction, a good reaction. My opinion, it's better just go back. Just go back and find some positions. But well, at this moment we are in a, it we are not into a point for take any trade. So let's see, let's see. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient, pure patience, and let's see what happens. Hard reaction. So well, still there in that points. without nothing. That point, it's not for me. Mm, Well, we got this one. This is new one in 35. Well, let's wait. Now it's looks difficult, but that was a good reaction there. It generated another volumes on there for open a long position. I think I will close the silver. No, no. I think I will hold it. I will hold it. I will hold it. Now my main idea is open a position in 34.19, 34.20. It's a good point. So well, let's be focused. It's time to be focused, guys. Okay, waiting the retracement. Let's wait, guys. Just holding. Nice reaction. Let's see, guys. Just waiting. Waiting the retracement. Waiting the retracement. Waiting the retracement. What is the retracement? Around 34.20, 34.19. Okay. So, well, again, I will try to find a consolidation in 1 minute with no pressure, guys. With no pressure, we are holding. Sorry, we are waiting. We are waiting. Okay. Nothing confirmed this moment. Just be patient, guys. Pure patience. We need to define a good position there. Good position there. Mm. Waiting. Let's see what we have. Retracement again. Retracement, guys. Retracement. Isaac, because Isako Kushi. Uh, because this is into the we are into the volume buy zone, and the main trend is the hard position for buyers. So let's see. Let's see what we have. Six minutes. Let's wait two, three candles more. Two, three candles more. If the price touch the sun, Now we are into the uptrend position. Nice reaction. Really, really nice reaction. Remember, we are waiting, guys. Waiting. Like I am holding the NASDAQ, correct. I'm holding the NASDAQ. I'm holding the NASDAQ. I'm holding the silver. Now we are near to the point. 34.20. 2, 3 candles more. 2, 3 candles more. And remember, guys, try to reduce the lot size. Try the lot size for your normal using for your accounts. Don't just one position, maximum 2 positions per trade. Respect the stop loss. Don't hold positions in negative. Um, Respect your accounts, please. Remember, the market is not it's not in a conditions to for break the rules. Okay, it's not there are conditions for break the rules. So be clear of that. Okay, be clear of that. Okay. Okay. 30 seconds. I will wait these seconds now. Waiting 30 seconds for this last candle. Okay. For see if we can the opportunity to touch the 34.19. 10 seconds. Waiting, guys. Remember, waiting. Waiting. What we are waiting for? We need a consolidation. A consolidation in 1 minute. Okay. We need the consolidation in 1 minute. So now, for that reason, we are waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. The trade is not confirmed. The trade is not confirmed, guys. Waiting 2, 3 candles more. 2, 3 candles more. Okay, at this moment I was waiting the last one, but the reaction was very hard. For that reason, now we are into the sun. So here into the sun, we will wait a consolidation. Okay, we will wait a consolidation for see any position. Silver finally is going to test again the point of entry, so that's great for us. NASDAQ is still there, into the sell position, but not that clear. Gold, it's falling. Gold, it's falling, so probably it will take the first entry. Okay, sorry, the first one. The first one was 34.15. That was the first one. So let me clarify that one. Yes, perfect. So yes, we will back to the same position For that reason, we didn't take the entry without confirmation. We'd go back to the same position, 34.05. And well, yes, 34.35. Here, this point, we will wait the retracement. So this sell zone, it's taking now. Sorry, this buy zone will taking now. Nothing clear, and the price just the irrespect that zone. Finally, silver is going to touch the point of entry. NASDAQ finally it's falling again. So that's great. Hunting your stop loss. The thing is, I'm not into a sell position. I'm not into a sell position, and I'm not into the buy position. Fica conmigo, sell. I already did the sell, my friend. I already did a sell, as you can see there. I already did a sell for today. And now this one, it's there, but it gives us another reactions on there that point. Mhm. Beautiful. So now what we have, what we need now. What we need now, a confirmation near to 34.05. What is the confirmation? A reaction. A reaction there. Unfortunately, my trade, what I take, well, the price what I take my trade, it just give us 72 pips. But well, the reaction in other point was really nice. That was great. And now it did the good reaction. The good reaction. So let's see, guys. Let's see. So well, falling, falling. Finally, silver is going to arrive to the point of entry. So that's great. Nasdaq is the same, trying to go back to the point of entry. That's beautiful. Well, let's wait, guys. Let's wait the confirmation. Let's wait the confirmation. What I something what I want to see. For example, the price touch here the 34.01 and then a pin bar reaction for open the price near to 34.05, something like this. Something like this. It's going to be very good for us, but it depends of the next candles. Sorry, guys. I was speaking with no one. Um, I was explaining the 0.5. It's very important because this is a reaction zone, right? So if we take that confirmation here, for example, it means our point of entry is going to be near to the 34.15. Okay, 34.15. It's going to our point of entry. Why? Because if you can see, guys, if you remember, we will have a reaction zone near to 34.20. So that reaction was great. That reaction was great. So now we got the confirmation. Well, if the next 5 minutes the price continue like this, we will open the position. If not, we will wait. Okay, just be clear of that. Let's wait. 30, 34.15. It's a point of entry. Very, very interesting. I was talking about silver. Silver going back into the stop, and NASDAQ going back to our point of entry. Looks pretty nice, NASDAQ. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So, well, let's see. So, well, finally, blue numbers into the NASDAQ. That's beautiful. But it's still in negative in silver. Ooh. So we'll have the action waiting 3 minutes. Okay, guys, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Mm. So really hard reaction. Really hard reaction right now. Again, uh, we got this type of reactions like this very hard. It's not the best. Yes, almost is almost into the stop loss. It's there. It's trying to resist a little, but probably we will see the stop hit. Let's see. Let's see. I'm still holding silver. NASDAQ, it's road to TP1. So that's beautiful. If silver touch the stop loss, NASDAQ will recover that stop. ¿A qué hora de New York empiezas con las señales de Telegram? Yo para saber si me sirven, porque soy de Argentina, amigo, claro que sí. Matías, empiezo a las 8, 7:30, 7:30 hora Costa Rica. Hora Costa Rica, empiezo. eh, y ustedes nos llevan 3 horas. O sea, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sí. Ah, entonces empezaría a las 9:30 hora argentina. A eso empezarían las entradas en New York a las 9:30 hora argentina. Ah, bueno, a las 11 dice Ankara también. 9:30 empiezo a transmitir. 10:11 empiezo a enviar las señales. Exactamente. So, well, silver resist still there. Now, guys, it's time to wait the retracement. Wait the retracement and see what happened there. So, well, let's see. So well, NASDAQ survived. That's great. And silver survived. That's beautiful. And the NASDAQ almost in TP1, holding the same position in NASDAQ, holding the same position in silver. Okay. En cualquier momento contigo, bro. Gracias, Matías. Un gusto. I close USDEC with 69 profit. Okay, like I take care now with the silver. Okay, I think I will close silver near to the point of entry, but it depends. Let's see. Matías, recomiendo para señales más Discord en la comunidad. Excelente. Gracias, Ankara, por el soporte. Sí, la comunidad es hermosa. Veo ya muchos están compartiendo las entradas. Entre ellos se ayudan, ¿verdad? Si yo estoy durmiendo, cualquier duda siempre está Jack, Sniper, um, este, Mira siempre está por ahí, Arthur siempre está por ahí ayudando, Phil, Chintac siempre están por ahí igual ayudando al grupo. Entre todos se ayudan, ¿verdad? Entre todos se ayudan, es bastante funcional, diría yo, esa comunidad. Pero bueno, eso depende de cada quien. Just remember, guys, the Telegram and Discord, it's a 1 year subscription for $73. Telegram, Signals, Discord. So if you want to be part of this beautiful community, just contact me for check the prices there. Now remember, we are with BT Markets, this broker regulated with a beautiful environment. Your first deposit will receive the 100% welcome bonus. And if you use the link, I will provide you the Telegram signals for generate money into your account instantly. For the Quantical, we got the 50% now for the promo code in the challenge and the 25 key instant funding. This is the referral code, and there you will receive the 50%. So now, let me see what we have. Looks like this point. So well, still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Well, let's be ready. NASDAQ back to the point of entry. Silver is still there. And gold, let's see what we have. So well, it's time to be ready. So well, I will wait these 20 seconds for open the position. We already have the accumulation. So please, let's clarify this. Oh, sorry, I moved it. Okay, perfect. We already got this one. Now let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement for open the second entry for gold. Okay. So let's wait a little retracement. Let's wait a little retracement. So well, it's time. That little retracement is there. So let's go. Let me clarify the information into the Telegram first. The position is not located in the best point. To be clear, but well, this is the reactions what we have. Not too much to do. Instantly. $34. Standard. The price go back. Remember the reactions at this point. It's very difficult because we will see high volatility. We will see high volatility, and it's difficult to clarify that once. 444. And guys, sorry, but as you can see, one candle destroy the stop. Very hard position. I will just clarify here the information into the into the Telegram. 34, 38, 34, 38. Yes, just for end. Was very very fast, guys. Very very fast. Sorry, but one candle in 1 minute give us the stop hit. 34, 26, 07, 32, 32, 44, 32, 34, 22. Very very hard reaction. In what? In 1 minute, it made 90 pips. So, well, that is the reactions. What I was talking all the day. Well, we need to take care. Yes, in 3 minutes, it made almost 200 pips. So, well, that is the reactions what we have in this moment. High volatility impact at this moment. Something happened. NASDAQ is the same. NAS touched the stop. NAS hit the stop. And just let me see if just let me be clear. If the position is already closed. Perfect. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's great. That's great. Okay. Perfect. Yes. So high volatility instantly when we open the trade. So not too much to do. Position is taken. So well, let's clarify the information first. It's a buy position, 40 pips. Mhm. 72 minus 40, 32. 30, different. It's different. Calculation here. It's 395 minus 40 pips. 395 minus 40 pips. 5. 5. This is the NASDAQ. 638 in NASDAQ, positive minus 80. 50. 50, 58. So well, it was very, very hard reaction. Around what? Let me count the pips. In 4 minutes, it made 200 pips. So well, that is the reactions what we have. I already found the consolidation near to 34.25. That consolidation give us that point of entry 34.26. Even when I take the position near to 34.25, it gives us that point, and then hard reaction to instantly to go for this up. I was typing the TPs into the Telegram. Instantly it go for straight to the stop. So all the trades for today: 72 pips in the first trade was a sell position. Second one minus 40 pips, giving us the entry, and the Dow Jones, no, sorry, the NASDAQ give us an stop too. Still in positive in NAS. It was the same situation. Instantly in one candle, it generate 80 pips. For silver still there, resisting. It's not falling. It's not falling at this moment. So let's see what happens in the next hours. But well, at this moment, that's all. The morning was very, very hard. Very, very hard. As I told you guys, the best options what we can find here, this type of market, is reduce the lot size, use the proper lot size, and always respect the stop loss. Okay, always, 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 always. So yes, Treasury Secretary made a statement on tariff. So we fall into a new. Let me see. Golf one. Or not. No, I think we don't have any news for the tariff right now. Let's see. Something with tariff will slash tariff live updates. US and India. And normal high volatility with gold these days. And that things happen. That thing happens in the in that type of situation, that type of gold, was expecting nice reaction. We were very high, but well, the confirmation was there, the retracement was there, but the retracement was so hard. 200 pips in 5 minutes. This is the market what we are having at this moment, guys. So please be clear of that. If you take that position, it's done. It's done, guys. Not too much to do. So please be take care of that. Okay? Take care of that. Because the reactions here, this point again, the price reactions, we are into a little consolidation. I will say it's not a little, but it's a 34.30, and the other one is 34.10. Um, a consolidation of 200 pips. Really hard reaction. Okay. So well, difficult day. Another day with a high volatility impact. Let's see. Let's see. NASDAQ, yes. Let me share the information into the Telegram, sorry, into the Discord about NASDAQ. Explosive entry. Didn't have time to place the stop loss. Probably we will back to that prices, my friend. My friend Cam. Uh, just be sure to take care of that, of close that position soon. Because if we touch again the 34, 35, for example, probably we will see another um, another downtrend. U.S. Treasury, but Ice Wolf, Ice Golf, and let me see, GM Golf. Can you share that news? Because I'm not seeing that news in Google. Just share the link. Just share the link into the chat for clarify that information, because I'm trying to Google it but nothing. I would say the 200 pips in 2 minutes. It's not normal, but in this type of conditions, we can expect a lot of things. So, yes. U.S. Treasury investment escalation. Let's see. Because okay, now I'm seeing the information now. Let me read the news. No, I can need to pay for that one. Check is the same. Check is continue with the uptrend. Okay, check is the same. What a day. Well, gold is falling. Silver is in an opposition. So I'm reading a new, but it's just telling someone did like a comment or something like this. Let me read it. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent made a significant comments about the ongoing tariff tensions with China, and at closed door investors should meet on Tuesday in Washington. According Bloomberg, Bessent told attendants that the standoff with China, which he said that was essentially an embargo, it's unstable, and that he expects to de-escalate. Okay, he said that while formal negotiations haven't begun, but a deal remains possible. Risk assets have relied on this SP. Okay, well, so well, one guy did a comment about the tariff and the tension with China. The price now it's falling. Well, gold is falling, so that's not great for us because it touched our position. But that what basically that was happened. Yes, LMS. I already I already called the stop hit in silver. Instantly, the three positions made a lot of pips. NASDAQ made 100 pips in 1 minute. Silver go down, but touch the stop in a hard reaction. So well, this is the conditions what we have on Thursday. This is the condition what we have on Thursday. So yes, just let me find another information if we can see something. No, 10 minutes ago, Besant. Besant. I don't know who is Besant. Maybe it's someone with the market or the Fed or something like this. But yes, the reaction was very hard. The uptrend position, if China and United States make a deal, they will the price of gold will down. Mm. So yes, it depends of that conditions if gold will continue with the uptrend or not. It depends. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened tomorrow. Let's see what happened Wednesday. Let me check if we have something here. Well, tomorrow we have high impact news. Tomorrow we have high impact news for tomorrow. It's the we have the new home sales and PMI. Mhm. Okay, PMI. Okay, yes, PMI. New home sales. Then other news for oil, but it didn't give us any impact. So yes, let's see what we have tomorrow at this moment. But the price give us now, it started now, a sell position for 70, 80 pips in 1 minute. So please, please, please take care of that. The next one, it's in 33.85. 33.85. So yes, that's not good. That's not good for us. Probably it will take the that position or 34. We will see 33.85, 33.75. It depends. It depends of the market. Not too much to do. I still need to clarify the XAG is silver. Some people don't know. So well, guys, this is the session for today. We start very strong. Looks very nice with the sell position. The first sell position was pretty good. Then we will try the long position and instantly go back very, very hard. Then that NASDAQ touch over the stop and silver touch over the stop. So yes, for silver, it's 30 pips for the stop loss. Yes, I need to count it here. 30 pips for the stop loss. So well, guys, what's difficult? What's difficult right now? Why? Because I was expecting a really nice reaction in Nasdaq and a really nice reaction for silver. Silver touch over the stop and now it's falling. So that thing happened. Some comments and this type of environment what we have with the taxes war. If someone middle important talks about the situation, probably it will generate an impact or something like this. So again, again, sometimes it's better to stay away. As I told you in the morning, because these type of reactions we can expect, and we see it. If you go back 30 minutes ago, you will see the reaction when I said it's time, and then 2 or 3 minutes later, it made 200 pips. So the environment is not friendly. Um, for the people who are a beginner, probably they will have some issues with the account, because even if they are trying to follow me, I'm having issues too. The only difference is I'm reducing the lot size what I'm using in my accounts. That is the only difference probably between the you guys. Well, most of the people here, they understand to how to reduce the lot size. Sometimes the conditions is not time to use the massive lot size. I know some people say this is the time to let be rich because the high volatility and everything. But this is not the channel for take that type of risk. So guys, please take care of your account. If you are in negative again, don't hold positions in negative. Don't hold positions more than 40 pips, please. Please, tomorrow, well, today in the Tokyo session, we will recover some pips. I know and trust we will recover some pips. Let's see what happened. But first, you need to survive to another session. Okay, remember, we always have a second opportunity into the market, even in the market that's not in a nice conditions. Okay, please, 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 please take care of that, guys, and don't hold any position in negative. Silver often falls when gold falls. Yes, that's the idea with silver and gold. But if you check the chart, the price touch our stop and then fall instantly. Well, that things happen. Probably we need to use a little more in silver, but I think 30 pips for silver, it's okay. So, well, guys, it's time. Not too much to do today. It's in negative day. It's a red day. So we have a lot of work to do this week for recover these trades. Telegram month trades still with 34 pips. Sorry, 3,045 pips in positive in gold. Silver 20 pips in positive. Dow Jones 350 pips in negative. That it's really hard. NASDAQ 558 pips in positive. Bitcoin one stop 90 pips in negative. And oil 75 pips in negative. So mix weeks. 1 week was very good. The last week was difficult. This week starts with 4 trades. Yes, 4 trades. No, yesterday we made a TP1 in silver. So this week start with 5 trades. One in silver, TP1. For that reason, silver is in positive. Today, silver gives us a stop loss. So yeah, I reduced that counter. NASDAQ gives us a stop loss. And gold gives us a TP2 for 72 pips in positive, and the second entry 40 pips in negative. Now it's arriving again, guys. Was it what I told you? 33.85. 33.85 pips. Sorry, 33.85. It's again. So let's see what we have in the next session in Tokyo. Now we can do nothing. Any chance to buy here? If you Ice Wolf, if you save the point, If you want to take the risk, you have some conditions. If not, it's better to stay away or continue holding. The ones who are holding the sell positions, bravo, because that's was the best option what you can do right now. Hold the sell positions. At this moment, remember, if you want to be part of the beautiful community, Discord and Telegram, it's a 1 year subscription for $73. BT Market gives us a first deposit welcome bonus for 100%. I will provide you the Telegram signals for free if you use the link. For Quantical, it's the 50%, guys, for the Discord, and I will provide you the Discord support. For me, that's all, guys. I was expecting a really nice day, but no, it was difficult. Was difficult. So just please take care of your accounts, reduce the lot size, and don't irrespect your money holding positions in negative. See you guys. Sorry for that stop loss. Again, as a promise, as usual, I will recover that stop loss in the next sessions. Thanks, guys, for the support. Thanks for being here. Any question, or if you want to participate for Telegram, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free, just a friendly reminder. Goodbye, guys, and see you into the Tokyo sessions for see what happened there.